is about defining. So after my last video, many persons actually messaged me and asked, okay, I want to start a blog now. How do I go into it, or how do I begin? Do I need any special skill? Do I need to know this, or do I need to know that? So I decided to do this video to show you step by step on how you can get started. Of course, there's nothing wrong in getting an extra source of income. So I'm going to show you how to become a blogger in 5 simple steps. Number 1, choose your blog name and your blog hosting. Number 2, start your blog by adding WordPress. WordPress is a content management system, popularly known as CMS. So we are going to be using WordPress to create our blog. So after adding your WordPress, the next thing you're going to do is to pick a theme, and this theme is going to allow you to customize your blog to your taste, to what you want. After that, you can now add a plugin, and after the plugin, you now proceed to create your content that will be appealing to your audience.
To get started in building our blog, we need a domain name and a hosting plan. So we're going to use a hosting company known as HostNowNow. So you go to www.hostnownow.com. Now once you click on the site, it loads their homepage. Now you'll be able to choose 2 things. 1, the domain name, which is the name you want to use for your site. First and foremost, we'll have to check if that name is available. So it's called searching, domain name search. So you click on the search bar there and you type the name you want to use. So for this example, I'm going to use ifeanyiblog.com. So I'm going to type it there to see if it's available. After typing it, I'm going to click on get it now. Now it's going to check and see if that domain name is available. If that domain name is available, it's going to tell me that this domain is available. But if it's not available, it's also going to give me back a feedback. But for this instance, for this case, the domain name ifeanyiblog.com is available, as it's going to show on the screen there. So see, congratulations, ifeanyiblog.com is available. So the next thing I do is to proceed to add to cart. I click on add to cart and then click on checkout. Now the next thing I'm going to do now, I'll have to add a hosting plan, because I will need where my website files and data will be stored so that it can be accessed anywhere in the world. So an hosting plan is what allows me to do that. So I click on add hosting, click to add hosting there, and then it redirects me to choose the different option or different hosting plan that is offered by this hosting company, HostNowNow. So I click on it, add hosting. So now currently they have 4 different plans: the Rubin hosting, the Flamingo hosting, and the other ones there. So I want to start with the basic one, which is the Rubin hosting. So you can equally start with whichever one you like. So you click on the first one there, which is 500 naira per month. I click there to choose the hosting by ordering for it. So I click on order now. And then the next thing I do is to choose the domain name. Remember, I've already added a domain to the cart, so I'm going to use that one, which is ifeanyiblog.com. So I use it and click continue. Then the next thing is to choose my domain period, rather the hosting period. So if I want to be paying or renewing it every month, I choose the one of the monthly billing cycle. If it's yearly, I choose a yearly billing cycle. So for now, you can decide to start with monthly to try it out, and then if you enjoy it, you can proceed to upgrade later on. So after that, you click on continue. But meanwhile, you have to check there's a fee for the cPanel, so you also have to select that, and then you click on continue. And then if you need any other service there, you can just check one of them and then click on continue to proceed further. Now this is a review of what you have ordered so far. You see the domain name and then the hosting plan. So if you're okay with that, you have to click on checkout. Now when you click on checkout, you will now be taken to a different page where you either sign up or you log in. After filling some information, you log in to proceed to the next step. Now once everything is completed, once you have made the payment and then your order has been processed and activated, you will now be given a cPanel login with the username and password, which you can now use to access your hosting platform where you can upload your website and every other thing. So if you have the cPanel, you click on it. After inputting your username and password, you click login. And now this is the interface for the cPanel details. So in this page, that is where you're able to do a lot of things. So this is where we're going to stop today. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. So we are done with getting a domain name and getting the hosting plan. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, and also like and comment. If you have any question, also ask in the comment section. In the description of this video, I'm also going to leave a link to my WhatsApp number so that if you have any personal questions you would like to ask, or if you have any challenge in the process of trying to register your domain name, you also can contact me via that link. So thank you very much. Hope to see you next week.